What's up, Motorheads? Today we're building a friggin' tank. Oh, hey, alright, so right off the bat, check this out. Starting off 265,000 clams. That is expensive, but you do get some interesting stuff. Bulletproof everywhere. Yeah, the electromagnetic pulse protection. I mean, like, if you don't have that, I mean, what's the point, right? I mean, you gotta have that, right? I just, just don't get the aftermarket stuff. Just get your factory installed electromagnetic pulse protection.
It's an EMP!
Anyway. You get standard stuff, run flat tires, thermal night vision system. All right, and you get a strobe light, all electrified door handles. This is a cartoon, man. This truck is a cartoon. But we're gonna build it. We're gonna buy it. So let's just jump right in. Starting into the exterior, you got your choice. You want the gloss paint, you want the satin paint. Gloss, satin. Gloss alright, but I think satin's where the money's at. Ooh, red. That's kind of sexy. That does not look like that color. But I do kind of military gray. I mean, this is basically a military looking vehicle, so we're just going to lean into it. So military satin gray, congratulations, you have been chosen for our mega tank. So moving on to the Drivetrain 8-speed automatic, which is your your only option. But check this out: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 motor options, ranging from 285 horsepower to 1,300 horsepower. I think you just go to the range topper. I mean, this thing ain't light, so it's not cheap either. So what's the point? 150K. We're just doing it. I mean, what are you're gonna save some money? You're gonna get cheap now for? I don't think so. Left-hand drive is fine, but I guess they offer it in right-hand drive. I guess that makes sense. I mean, sure. And then this is sort of automatic. I mean, who's not getting the sport exhaust at this price, right? It's like $1,750. Yeah, come on, give it to me. Next up, we got packages, tow package. I think you just kind of get everything. You need these side steps. I mean, this thing's tall, right? How you getting your mama in here? Ain't gonna happen without these side steps. Interior lighting package, I guess. Winch, look at that. It's like $4,000 almost for a front winch. That's a lot. And then I thought this was pretty funny. Oh, here are your front windows. Oh, you'd like to use them? How about $6,000? Okay. And then I don't know. God, I wonder what the MPG is on something like this.
What kind of fuel economy do you get?
I mean, it can't be much. So silly not to get the reserve fuel tank, right? So that's that. That is the packages. I think chassis next. Let's get into it. Standard 4-inch lift. You can upgrade that. 2 options. I think you go with the big boy. You know, why stop here, right? Let's get that extra inch. We're doing it. One thing I want to note, nothing really updates once you select options here. It's just kind of the same 3D model of the truck, but you know, whatever. That's fine. And then, yeah, I think the more brakes, the better for this. I mean, this thing is not going to slow down easy. Nope, definitely not. So we'll get the brakes. And then next up is the interior. I mean, what are you seriously at this cost not getting the full leather? I think you are. And then, yeah, let's do something fun. I think these leather, that's whatever. We're doing something custom. We're gonna do something crazy with this. I don't know what yet, but getting the heated seats. You know, what's an extra $300? Am I right? Get that embroidery in the headrest. Almost as expensive as the Porsche version, but that's a whole nother story. Dual tone interior doors. That's the image. That's it. Okay. Okay. Why not? Why stop here? And then we got these seat styles. They all kind of look the same. I don't know. I'll just get the least offensive version. I guess that diamond pattern looks okay. And we're going with yellow. I think that's a good accent color with our military green, so we're gonna lean into it. Same thing here. You get all these. I mean, these. Look at that. Is this okay? So if you want black, that's fine. But if you want a color back here, these 2 pieces of plastic, that's gonna cost you $3,500. But again, saving money is not the theme of this thing, so we're spending it. And then Apple CarPlay on. Okay, so it comes standard with this thing, but I mean, I think you just go with the, look at that, the ultimate. $12,500 for some extra speakers, amps. I bet you sounds great, but ooh, that's a lot. Side cameras, I think you need as much visibility as possible driving this thing around because it is ginormous. I just can't know. You know what? We're just getting everything. We're just gonna see what this is gonna cost. I mean, why not, right? Dual battery. That's actually probably pretty good. And then here it is, a grand total of $511,835. This is over $500,000 trunk truck thing. I mean, pretty amazing. All right, let's gonna order it. Let's see how long it's gonna take, and we'll update you.
I want some pizza!